Make sure to stand till the end so you can see where all the clips are, because otherwise you can destroy that trim piece and you can cause damage to the dash as well. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. 20 week having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11. If you need to remove or replace the central locking switch or the hazard light switch, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step. In order to do that, you will need to remove the center dash trim. If you don't do it the right way, you will damage your trim, you can break it, you can damage your dash, which can look really bad. Make sure to stand till the end. We will explain the right way to do that step by step. So all that will be covered in this video today. So how we're going to do that? Okay, we're going to come right here inside, and it should work on multiple years and models guys, all the way from 2010 currently until now. Okay, practically ours is 2013, but 2018 I think is when they changed the body style. And what we have here, okay, how we're going to remove that trim piece now here. You may guys get a prying tool, but what I usually do, I open the glove box. By opening the glove box, you can access that trim underneath. That trim, if you apply too much pressure, I want to show you what can easily happen. Like, it was removed in the past, and right here, check this thing out. It's a little bit, guys, okay, wrinkled. Okay, practically you can crack it. So you need to apply firm pressure for that center dash trim. And how you do that, you start on one end, okay? There is multiple clips, and a little bit at a time you go. You don't just pull from one side and try to yank it out guys, it doesn't work that way. Now we're going to go ahead, keep pulling a little bit, gently comes out. What do we have here specifically? Okay, let's explain now. Here we have the ignition switch that we're going to disconnect. Okay, let me focus, perfect, just like that, by pressing right here in the middle. Okay, and it comes out. Don't pull for the wires because you can easily guys break them. Here we have a couple more switches. One, okay, is for the vents, and the other switch that we have specifically here, I think this is for the central locking. So this one is a little bit trickier to remove, but it's doable. Then we just have one little bit of trim right here that they attach to. Okay, let me see if it's going to come out. Perfect, and that center trim came out, you can see, completely just like that. So let me show you now. I want to show you where all the clips are so you know what to expect guys. Okay, you have one clip here towards the very passenger side right there. So you have 1, 2 right here, 3, 4, 5. Then passing this, you come all the way to this side, and you have 6, 7 right here. They go in these holes, you can see like that. It's very important to know so you can avoid damaging guys, okay, your trim piece and dash as well. So let me show you what we have. Once you remove that trim piece, what you have guys, this is your switch, because it's right between the vents. Okay, this is the switch right here. This is one of the metal clips that we'll need to press in. You can see that clip right here, it will need to go in. You have one just like that on the other side. Okay, I'm trying to get light. Okay, 1 second. Okay, and that clip is right there. These two, okay, we're going to press. Okay, let's just come a little bit closer. Okay, like that, so we can press at the same time down. Put your fingers underneath because it's going to fly away. Push both of them, and now I'm going to turn it around, grab it. Okay, and it will come down. And you can see guys, okay, the central locking switch together with the hazard light switch, it's one whole thing guys. And it comes out just like that, piece of cake. So not very complicated. If you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get some switches from. Hopefully the video was helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.